I wanted to show you in a couple of JSON and XML and with the change with column changes, how we can do it with DataFinz. So probably taking the Postgres connections, any database you can do. I'm taking the Postgres here. Okay, this is the connection. I'm going to make use of it. I'm going to make use of the API. The publisher is at the pipeline. Creating a pipeline, give some name. Just to give us some name, and then pick up connection. Pick up the object type as of multiple object here. Then after that, you need to go to documentation. Create a documentation is mainly for authentication. And here I'm picking up basic auth. You can do bearer token, no auth as well. ID, password, limits if you want it. And then module, IP address, and then pick up object we just created. So by picking this one, so we just enable, we need to run the Swagger, run that button to generate a Swagger. So this is like a Swagger. Once we got the Swagger, we can do the authorize with what we did, which is the ID and the password. And then what we can do is we can do the request. This is the request. This is the Swagger. You can also do with the Postman as well. And this is the JSON I'm going to do. Let's check the try of the DataFinz and see the structure. I'm copying the JSON and putting it here. Comes up with the ERD. It's just an object and nested arrays and other things. And then running with the Swagger with the table is the ABC JSON. Object name I have given. That way all the table will get created underneath the table name. If you see the thing, ABC, JSON, cities, city, street, all the things. This is the main one. And then what we other array. And then there is other thing, parent key and the API fins key, which give the relationship between the array and other things. Okay, now we just add a couple of columns here. Check the structure here. If you see the thing, we added extension as well as a private. So now we just run this process. Our expectation is that the column will get automatically created as well as data should be loaded. So ABC JSON has a 547 extension, and then when we go to here, we see the private. So it's just to do the thing, and then simple as it is, it just goes in there. Now we pick a XML. Similar thing, we'll go to the ERD and see the structure. Purchase and a couple of arrays underneath. So we're just running the same one, only the table name is different. ABC XML I had given it. So if I go to here, I can see the table. Yes, I can see the tables get generated, and then if you see the data here. Now we just go to table and then alter it. We are just adding another column, suite 244. This is the value, we just adding it. Okay, now we just running this one and goes back here. We just check the table. This is underneath the address. Yeah, I will check. So if you see, yeah, the 244, it just came. That's a quick one.